Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Beyblade Middle Fight Battle. A tournament. It's a little tournament. So yeah, this is gonna be 2v2, best out of 2. Okay, 1-0. Wow, okay. That's a win. Next battle. So yeah, debut battle. Okay, 1-0. Wow. Okay. Oh, that black one looks nice. Okay, winner again. Okay, this could be the last shot for his team. Kai's team. One zero. Wow. You can actually see the hop in this one because I'm using this. One. Let's redo that one because it got caught on a launcher. Kenny loses, yeah, it's a loss. Final battle. It's 2-1, so this is the final. Okay. One zero. And yeah, that seals it 3-0, 3-1. So Kai's out. Kai's out. So yeah, here's the matchup. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And